Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a POV drive. You can see it's snowing like crazy, bro. Look at this. Look at this shit. Oh, that's crazy. We got the RT. This ain't a GT. I know some of you guys are gonna think it's a GT, but it says hemi right there. It's an RT. Look at the tire. It literally reaches a rim. The snow reaches a rim. Oh, back here is the same. It's not gonna be that much fun because of the burnouts and stuff. It's not gonna have much traction. I'm gonna be spinning tires the whole way home. Like, actually, probably should cover my license plate. There you go. Okay. All right. Well, let's go. I'm not out here because just because I want to film this video. I was at the movie theater. I was watching a movie. But shit. Spinning tires. Shit, no. We spinning, bro. Shit. Oh, okay, go in reverse. We gotta plow our way out of here. Doing burnouts all the way out. No, that's actually crazy, bro. I didn't expect it to be this bad. I mean, what do I expect? It's a Charger, literally. I could have chosen any other vehicle for this, but I chose a Charger. Man, I'd be wanting a GT nowadays. Probably not safe. Yeah, so I didn't want to be out here. I mean, I could have just not gone on the movies, but you know, had to go with the boys. Went and watched the Captain America movie. Shit, bro. This thing doesn't want to go. Or is it because I'm in first gear? Maybe it's because I'm in first gear. Probably. There you go. They put the windows down. It's crazy. I could have chosen any of What, bro? Shit's crazy. Look at this shit. Oh shit, my phone. I almost dropped my phone. Nah, it's actually bad, bro. It's windy too, so it's making things worse. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to climb that one mountain, you know? There's not mountain, a hill. It goes uphill, and yeah. Very sure. I heard that lower air pressure or tire pressure is better for the car, since it gets more traction or something like that. Saw something like that. Sheesh. Slipping. Bro, that pop is insane. It's just spinning tire right now. Nah, that's crazy. Today, bro. Fuck. Oh shit. Gotta turn on the wipers. It's getting worse. Nah, it's not even the wipers. It's getting worse. That's a car right there, bro. get stuck over here. What? Yeah, have fun. Yeah, I can get girls in the snowstorm with this car. Bro, that sounded insane, bro. That fucking cop. I'm just a fucking cop. I think that's a fucking cop. I don't think that's a cop, bro. Virgin. I'm at half tank, you know. You gotta have your car at half tank at all times. I don't know if it's over half tank or it's like exactly, but it doesn't fucking matter, you know. Like that. Shit. You know, snowstorms, you gotta downshift and stuff. So you don't so you slow down. Because if you just stomp on the brakes and you just lose control and slip into curb, I have second-hand experience for that, you know. Happened to me. Watch my last video, you know. It's cold. Well, I got the windows open. Of course it's cold. My rear window is like blocked with snow and stuff. Bro, that guy just ran a red light. It's crazy, dumbass. Wait, let's open the sunroof. I gotta get the rear view, you know. But alright, we gotta slow down here, you know. Gotta downshift. Bro, my car is all wet. I think I got these Alcantara seats, so like they don't get wet. They're waterproof or something like that. This shit's fun, bro. No, this shit's fun though. No, it's fun until you end up in the curve. Oh yeah, that guy just brake checked the other guy. Bro, it's actually fucking, it's like, this shit's actually fun. Oh, yeah. Drifting in this shit is crazy. I should probably close the windows. I'm just kind of getting cold, you know? This back, this fucking melting inside my car. It's getting all wet. Bro, you do those fucking pops like, yeah. Nah, that's fucking insane. I'm gonna close this. It's cold. Shit. Oh, whoa. Shit, close now. Oh shit, no, fuck. Won't close now. Fucking close. Oh shit, I don't wanna break. Oh, it's that thing. The fuck? Oh, I think I broke it. We're so close to home, man. I'm so close to home right now. Shit. I'm gonna close this. Just fun, bro. Nah, it's crazy. I shouldn't have opened the sunroof though. Now, what the fuck? Oh shit! Those are my brakes right there. I need new brakes as well. Bro, this snow is deep. I'm surprised this thing is even doing that this well. Shit. I gotta figure out how to get uphill. Oh shit, I almost hit the tree. Fuck. Kind of fishtail. What? Let's see. Bro, guys, you don't understand. Look how deep that is. Oh shit. Shit's deep. Look at that. Can't get uphill. Yeah. Figure it out. Another piece of ice here. Did it freeze? Oh, I think it froze. Yo, it froze. Alright, then I fixed it. No, close. Is that closed or is it vented? Okay, it's closed. Good. Oh, we made it home. Let's fucking go, guys. Shit. Look at that. I don't think I can make it uphill. Could I? I want to fish or like slip into that plow I got over there. Oh, my dad's got. Got the Jordans out and stuff. Got quite the fit. Nah, you guys don't understand. Look at this. Look at this. Wait. Look at this. This is no level right here. Basically my shoe. It's like almost to the car's level. Alright, let's get a snow's cold start. Actually, I just turned it off. Yeah. Oh shit. Damn, bro. Sounded good. Yeah, that sounded good. Yeah. Look, it's running up against the wheel. Damn. Well, at least I made it home safely. That's something I'm grateful for. I drove with my windshield black too.